Clearborough, North Dallas, 23 Chevy C8 Z06. Full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, full tint XR Plus, 30 on the fronts, a little sliver in the back, got 30 as well. The front has 70 on the windshield. Full wrap with the Ultimate Plus film, topped off with some ceramic on top for a 5-year. Let's take a look at this working so I can get on my way. Got a busy night ahead of me. Starting with the fuel port area, fully wrapped in, like always, or trunk lid, or engine lid, whatever you want to call it. Fully wrapped, no lines, so the actual lid itself is wrapped underneath. The fenders, the quarters, fully wrapped around. These come out real simple with some 8mm speed nuts. We have no problem wrapping in here. Emblem comes off in the back. Real simple 2-way tape. Take that off. Comes up a certain amount of distance. We measure it out with a template, put it right back where it belongs. And coming around here, all these letters all get redone. We just buy new ones. All this gets locked in here real tight. This comes off so we can get all this wrapped in perfectly with no lines on the rear spoiler. And much of the same throughout here, like the normal Stingray. That's one of the differences. And then coming around over here, everything's wrapped in. Everything looks fantastic. Much more of the same over here. Coming up on top, fully wrapped. Fully wrapped. We don't want any lines. We want everything to look nice and clean and glossy. Our mirrors, all nicely done. Front fenders and doors, all fully wrapped in, no lines. Coming around the tops here, fully wrapped. Our corners are capped off. And much more the same work. Everything's looking fantastic. Fully wrapped in, no lines. And there it is, 23, the much weighted Z06. We've done probably 8 of these already. Beautiful car, sounds awesome. And that is it. Need any questions? 214-414-3809, clearboroughnorthdallas.com. Appreciate you guys watching our channel. Give us a call or shoot us an email through our website. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. Thank you.